Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 408 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications or toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen like this. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those should be the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is visible right over here, but if you don't see it on this page, you might need to swipe to the left, which will show you a secondary page. Now once you see this toggle, hold it. This will then take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. I recommend doing this at least once, even if you're not planning to change any of the settings. Just get acquainted how the mode is set by default. Now going into the important options, at least the ones that I find important, would be things like calls. Here you can set who can call you. So we have choice between anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. And then also who can message you with the same options. And below that we have ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected under calls. Obviously, if you don't want that, you might want to turn it off. And this only applies to calls, not messages. And going down, we have the schedule. Now there is one pre-made, the sleeping one, but you can obviously change it if you want to. Change the name, change the days of the week, start, end time, do whatever you want. And you can also add more. At the bottom, you have add more schedules. So if you're planning to use a schedule, once you set it up, just make sure you toggle it on in here, like this. And that's all you would need to do. The phone will then turn it on and off automatically based on the set schedule. But for everyone else who just wants to use the mode and some kind of like random occasions, once you set it up, you can then turn it on by finding the toggle, tapping on it, and your Do Not Disturb mode is now running. And you can also see the little on writing right here. So that's how you turn it on. Once you're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running in the background indefinitely. And obviously if you, for instance, selected that no one can call you, that setting will be just kind of permanent till you remember to turn it off. So you do so by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it to deselect it. And now the mode is off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.